Hello and welcome to another episode of Coffee with Matt. Each week we discuss one element of marketing, and today we are talking about writing. Technology allows us to outsource a lot of menial tasks, but one task and truly one skill that I believe is one of the most important skills you can have for your career, for a business, is writing. Because writing is how we communicate with anyone, whether that's to our customers, our employees, or anyone that we're really trying to reach. I think that writing is more than just a book or blog post. Think about all the captions that are on Instagram or TikTok, or look at the tweets that we put out, or even the video scripts for our videos here. Writing is imperative and writing is everywhere. Writing is what really connects humans to other humans, if it is done well, of course. The one way that I would say to get better at writing is practice. But people say practice makes perfect, but that's not true if you're practicing bad habits. So yes, you need to be practicing writing Instagram captions, writing tweets, but if you don't have a sense of awareness of these things, the writing that I'm doing is converting or actually getting the result that you're looking for, then you need to learn how to change it. How can you grow in your writing? So yes, practice, but make sure you have an awareness of how to get better. The other way to learn how to write is to follow people that you actually enjoy reading. Maybe there's things online that you see that is captivating for you, and you then take that work and you follow it. But as you're following it, continue to have that awareness and start to ask questions about, why do I really like this writing? What about the style of writing am I connecting with? And really start to ask questions that can draw out more of the mechanics of the writing, not just the theme or what the writing is about, but really how the writer is writing. Take those mechanics that you're learning from these other great writers and start to implement it in your own writing. See what works for you, see what doesn't work for you. Maybe your audience is going to really love one style but hate another style. So all you have to do is really practice your own writing, but have a sense of an awareness of how to get better and when you need to change or try new things. But then also follow people that are doing a great job at writing. They have practiced so much on their skill and their craft, and they're probably looking to teach you how to do it yourself. All of these touch points with customers or potential customers are an opportunity for you to convert them into more revenue, into more business, or whatever the action item is that you want for them. You can only do that if you communicate well, because bad writing makes things very confusing for so many people, and they're going to be confused with where they should go, what they should do, or what your brand is really about. Connect with stories, connect with humans. We all read, we all listen in some sort of fashion, in some sort of medium, whether it's online or offline. And the best communicators are the best salesmen. The best communicators are the best marketers. And the best businesses are the ones that can communicate their products and their services the best and the most clean way that converts traffic into customers. So really focus on writing this week, and I can't wait for another episode of Coffee with Matt. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. And I can't wait for another episode next week of Coffee with Matt.